Okay, I'm going to go over web scraping for this site. I got another site that came in to be requested to be scraped. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Bedrijfstelefoongids. Something. So, okay, so the request came in to scrape these per province. So, there's 12 in total. Provincie. And if we go to just the province page, I don't see that it's connected. I don't see that it's connecting. Or it's just returning like a blank page, so that's not going to be helpful. So he's given me a list here of each of the province pages. And then he's saying if we go to the page, it then will have all of these menu items at the bottom to link through. So the first thing we would need to do is find out what this number is. And then this site's awesome because if we click on this, it just takes us to page 2, which means we can punch in any page, like 1932, which is the last one, and receive any of them on demand. And that is awesome. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab this. What do you get? Oh, first we need the code scrape. And we're going to make a directory. We'll call this bed art IJF steel kids. There, we'll make it temp, and we'll make payload directory. Okay, so we're going to, what do you get? And we're going to get the, oh, I forgot to tell it what it's called. It's just going to call it index. We'll save it as example.txt. Okay, so we're going to rep 1932 from example text, and it looks like it's within a div tag. It doesn't have a line break in it anywhere. So what I'm going to do is we're going to create one. So we're going to add a break to the end of the A character. So we will grab that, type to sed replace this, which will have to escape, and change that to, actually we don't even care if it's a reference anymore, we'll just change it right to carriage return. The whole file. Okay, that didn't seem to do what I wanted though. Okay, so can't remember if this needs to escape. I forget how you have to treat sed escape /. Let's do this. Get rid of that space. There we go. That'll work. So we can put each of these on their own line then, and then we can say pipe to grep. No, cut. Delimiter greater than field 2 seconds. There we go. So pipe to cut delimiter less than field 1, and there we have our numbers. So then what we'll do is we will grep for any link with a number in it. No, it's not going to work. I'll just grep for, that's always going to show up. So we'll get rid of the grep here, we'll put it at the end. 0 through 9. And then we will sort, unique. So at page 1, go to the main page. This is going to give us 1, 2, 3, this. There's got to be a better way to narrow this down even some more. Okay, so grab black button. That. those, and then we can ignore next. So that will verify, or that will force this to be on the final line. So then we can just cut delimiter field 2. And cut delimiter 1. So we'll just leave it at that. And now we know that's the last one, so we'll type detail -1. So that is our final element in the page. So we're going to make our scrape shell script. Add the shebang. And we'll call this as the page. Executable, and we get that. So now what we can do is come here what we'll do is we'll actually just make a whole list of these sites, and we'll just pull from each of these. Oh, that's not fair though, because we know the last one of this. So why don't we just grab that. Ignore next. Class equals. This will work more dynamically without knowing the number of the last page. we run this, we should get the output of the last page number. So go ahead and make this a text file, and copy this URL. Second one is FL. Next one is FRIES, land. Any of these words are. IJ. Zooland, and last, Zooid. Now what we should be able to do then is go into our scrape script and do for site insights, do we should get the last page for each site. That's right. We have to actually fetch them. So we will put them into scraping site. What do you get? Site -o into temp. And we will make a loop counter. Increment it with SPR. Why is it trying to use the sites? It's doing an ls on it. I need to cat contents. Error. And this is going by way too fast, so what we're going to do is to make a header variable equal to --quiet, and under wget we're going to put in our header variable. Each of these has the same value. Let's see if that's true. That should be $29.59. We're still getting the 1932 code because we are looking at example.txt. So we need to look into temp loop. There we go, 1780, 2959, which is this value here. Wow, 9,000. 11,000. 15,000. Okay, so let's go into here. In this header value, I'm going to add accept text HTML. And we're going to set our user agent to Mozilla something generic. So we're going through each page, fetching it, saving it into temp, adding the run number. Each of those pages will then contain sort of our map. Each of these links. So we're going to have to loop through, this is our maximum value, and grab each of these files. And then save them, because what they want to be able to do is go through each page and grab these values here. So where it says mirror info, that's actually a link to load up the business profile page. And they want to grab all this information here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just loop through one of these for now. I don't want to grab all of them as they work through the page. So for site and sites, we're going to get the site, find the last page. Each time we start, we set page to 0. We'll set it to 1, because we're never going to actually work on page 0. And we'll do the same thing. Oops. Page. Oops, and good. Pasted the wrong buffer. So for each page, we're going to go ahead and get that page. Send that to payload. But the site is going to be different, because we're going to be getting the site / page will output scraping subsite page number. You can even do something like go, so it's going to increment through for each one. Let's go ahead and stop it real quick. And we'll take a look in the payload directory and see how we've got each of these here. So let's view payload, we'll look at number 2. Awesome. So in each of these, we should have this mirror info. URL. However, it looks like it's a span, so let's go ahead and inspect this. Because when we mouse over it, it's clearly a link. So what is this page doing? Here's our H reference that we want. So this doesn't have any kind of class to it. So let's just grab href from payload 2. We've got quite a few here. That's the one we're looking for though. ADR. Actually, looks kind of like what we want. Scrap. Text on the page, or I'm looking at the wrong page. With lowercase, it's not being stored that way. One thing we could do is we could actually grab the line numbers and look for company item list left. This is kind of cheesy, but we can then so we'll just grab it from a single file. So see that all of these are along the left here. Now this isn't the line we actually want. We want the line in front of it. So the way to do that is you then cut on the semicolon and field 1, and that gives us just the line numbers. So we know these are the line numbers prior, so you can do something like line equal. I'll do this. Well, just for an example, I added the file, so we're at 160. So we know then it's 159. So we can do grep -n and just say every line with caret indicating beginning of line. So we'll then look at payload. 1 and we'll pipe to rep 159, we'll pipe to caret 159 colon pipe 2, and then that'll only give us that one line. Cat payload 1, pipe 2, rep. Okay, so then pipe 2. How did I do that? To rep and company item. Oops. Okay, so then we're going to rep for 159, rep specifically for start of line 159. Oh, because we don't want to grep for that, we want to grep for anything. So now we're able to kit just line 159, and then to get rid of the line counter, we cut on delimiter semicolon 2. So it's exactly what it should be. So what we're going to do is grab this back into our script. Get it, make sure that it exists. -F. Page. This. That'll give us all the lines, and then do full line lines. URL equals cat reload page grab. echo. Oh, they didn't find one from it. We just have to format it now. Although I'm wondering why. Oh, okay, so if we can. There we go. So it's actually 2 lines above. We're going to want field 3 to cut the limiter. Actually got a -2. Field 3. Single quote field 1. There we go. So it still is -1. So let's go back into here. Sum URL There we go. So we should now be able to grab this, copy, look at that. Let's see here. So these are all nicely named item props. This will be easily grabbed. Name of the H2 tag. So we can grab H2 from. Oh, we can grab this yet. So we scrape. So now that we have this URL, we can get head-o. We need to be able to uniquely identify this. I wonder if we can grab this name here. Delimiter dash 01 to cut delimiter call this thing sub URL, call this unique. Let's call this name. And we'll echo sub URL, all that, and then we'll save it as such. Text even. We're going to save it to dash and to scrape those out. Let's just line 25 to the arguments. Month. Seems like an awful long name though. It always seem to have the same text at the end. Look at what all we have in here. That's why. We only need the first one, so it's wrapping the line. So, go back into here, grab the name, there we go. Okay, so once we grab each of these, we can grab the other items, just the same. We want to do it that way though. Address. So let's do that again with rep, street, address, payload, 405. That gives us the whole div. We just want this. So 1, 2. We want to change that to field 3. Okay. What does he want here? Name of the company, address, postal code, and city. Address 2. This one's gonna be postal code. Address 3. Be address locality. These are not lining up. These need to be 2's again. Address, alright, so VI, address 2, 3, back to 2. Oh, there's all this extra white space. Okay, very good. What else? He then wants website and phone number. Hoo-ah. So website simply has the word website. Website. And of course, it's a big block of text, so looks like it has the website and the phone number in the same line. So I think we can do the same thing we did earlier, where so we're gonna set website /. Same with KVK. Oops. What that's going to do is it's going to translate this to a character chart, which forces this to be vaguely on its own line, therefore differentiating it from the website, so we can scrape this one uniquely from the phone number. So let's go ahead and grab this. Site. field to there we go. Now it's not going to be making a quote. There we go. We now should get the website in our output, and we're not. Ow. Okay. So I know it. Let's see. Let the cat reload. We've made it's just on the wrong line now. So also we can set carriage return nothing. Also need to make it say still on its own line. Still has space in it though. That's easy enough to fix. We can also just get rid of any spaces in this variable altogether. Now we should have formed the website syntactically correct. Hey, there we go. Awesome. So now what we're going to do is the same thing, but with the phone number, which I'm pretty sure is this KVK item here. Copy this, paste. That. Grab okay. See if we can't just get away with putting K in this inputs. It's sort of working. It's all cut off. So we don't need the whole URL. So let's grab KVK payload 06, and we're gonna set change KVK to carry return, and put this on the new line. Holy cow! Oh, this one doesn't have it in it. So we should see the phone number here. So let's see, it's 1, 2, so type to cut limiter field 2, no 3, type to cut. So, fine, not in every file. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Copy this. Back into our file, okay. Let's have a new line. Obviously not going to do that. We're going to cat payload unique name text. One to show up. Oh, there we go. We've got a couple of phone numbers here. So, awesome. Except that it's also having this new line issue. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing like we did for website. KVK equals echo KVK, like we said. Awesome. And not all of these are going to have phone numbers, which is fine. So the last thing that we need to do is make a CSV file. CSV equals payload CSV. And just do if dash file CSV and CSV. This will verify that we have a fresh file each time if we need to rerun this. for any reason. So anytime we stop it, we run, we're going to be running fresh. And if we need to save the files, we'll have to manually move it to CSV. Well, if we're not going to see the output, then let's do this. And tail good CSV. Of course, that's probably not going to work because we're actually removing it. For this one time, let's go ahead and comment all this out. That's how it's going to run going forward. But this is just to show you as it's collecting data. Sort of a one last sanity check. Oh, I know why, because that's going to run once it's done. That's not what we want. Is it? I'll just run this into the background. And then we'll tail the file. Sloppy, but it works. And then if any reason, I mean at this point we're not using any proxies, we're just straight going to the site with no sleep commands. We're hitting it pretty aggressively. Which, I mean, we may or may not end up getting blacklisted then. Oh, this was kind of a bad idea, because if the site doesn't have a website, we've hard-coded this. We've hard-coded the protocol into the CSV value. But each of those lines will be unique anyway. It looks like that's what that error is when it's saying line, for a while it was saying line 25 and now it's line 30. It's like when it loads the new file, it has that in the loop to still grab that line. It's either logic on the check has 1, 2 extra, or it's checking the base file, the base URL. Either way, we'll let this run, and that should be good. So thanks for watching. Post if you have any questions. Thanks.